All right, man. Now we got doing a little bit of scouting location. I believe I found what I'm looking for. This has been in my head for a long ass time. So therefore, that's the reason why you're not really seeing like the full-fledged picture of it. But I am going to stop for a second. Just gonna park in this little driveway here. As you can see right across from me, let me go ahead and zoom in on this thing for you guys because it's raining out right now. As you can see right across from me, that's where I think I'm going to do it at. This is definitely going to work. Looks like somebody. It's not fucking, but you can see right here real quick. Looks like this is definitely going to work. Like I said, I'm going to do it real quick just so I can get back inside. But this is one of the locations. So there goes that. Hopefully it's not going to rain tomorrow. That's what I'm hoping for. That's what it said on the thing. It's not going to rain tomorrow, so we'll see from that situation. But all right. Now today is shoot day. This is the shoot day for Road to Vogue. As of right now, we are going to go meet up with the model and get all packed up. We got to try the outfit on that we have for her. And then after that, we're gonna pack up and head to the location. Once again, it is early in the morning, guys. It's gonna be a pretty good day because it's overcast day. So I know I was concerned when I told y'all guys I was a little concerned about it being sunny, but it's not gonna be a problem because it is definitely an overcast day. It's really cloudy out here. So I did bring my flash just in case I was going to use it. But like I told you in the beginning, my goal is really to use natural light. So that's what I'm going to try to do. So. And also, like I said, I'm going to try to focus more on black and white. I turned my camera onto the black and white mode. And so, yeah, that's what we're going to do. Like I said, overcast day, we're going to go meet up with her. So I guess the next time you'll see us when I'm with Lily. What's up, gang? We are now back. I have picked up the model, but we're gonna do a little rewind / fast forwarding. We started this last weekend, but some shit happened where we did not shoot the last weekend. So everything just went to hell. So this is a whole entire new weekend on top of this, guys. So all that stuff you see before, it happened, but it didn't happen. But we are now at our locations, and now we are here with the model. Here she is over here. There she is. She is in this. We are going to do the same thing, what we already planned, like I already told you, but with one caveat. The suit that I was telling y'all that I had the inspiration for due to last week. And for some reason, not doing shooting, I'm not going to disclose those reasons. But I'm not going to disclose those reasons. But what happened was that the suit, we agreed that the suit wasn't really what we was looking for. So I ended up returning it and then ordered another one. But that suit did not come in on time because it got delayed from Amazon, and it's supposed to come in yesterday. Now it's supposed to come in today. We're not going to shoot it. She already drove down here, so we're just going to do these other two looks like we already have. We're not going to do the business suit, which kind of fucking sucks because
it looks pretty dope.
Yeah, we was looking forward to it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go out here at the location with this first location. We're going to do a little shooting, do a little video portrait with her at the beginning of this. And then we're going to shoot. So I'm going to try to make this real fast because it's really cold out. And she is going to be with clothes, but very little clothes on.
Minimal.
Yeah, very minimum clothes. But, so we're going to get this started. Hey, look, you got anything else you want to say about this?
You didn't have last week.
I didn't still say anything about last week, guys. So I didn't say, I'm not going to get the story. But anyway, I'm going to jump right into the video.
On balance, it's great.
That gonna stay right there. Yep. Let's jeans down just a tad bit more. About right there, thank you.
These are gonna be so good.
What? Look at that right there. What's going on? So let's get a few more.
Okay.
Hang on, so I'm doing this right here. Yep. All right, guys, let me go ahead and put this over here so y'all can see a little in the background. All right, so now we just got finished shooting our shoot. Correct.
We're warm now, so let's
We're now warm.
give it.
As y'all, look, did you enjoy that whole black and white vibe?
I did. Not being cold, but I love the black and white vibe. I love being out here. I like the what's that called? Like the I would call it grass. It's not grass.
Weeds.
Weeds.
We're gonna call it weeds, guys, because as y'all did see, guys, in the beginning of this, we were supposed to shoot at another location, but we end up not shooting at that location. Yeah. Like I seen this on my way to work, and I was like, oh man, this is a real nice location, and it looked kind of secluded, but it really isn't. It's actually a game preserve for hunting. It's a hunting preserve. So we've seen people come out with rifle in the middle of our shoot, and then the police kind of stopped or whatever, and I just kind of went over there and asked them, like, oh, is it no risk safe let us keep the rifles, even though the sign says no rifles? And I just asked her, are we okay to shoot? Because actually she followed us in when we first got here, and I thought she was going to pull us over and tell us we were about to be here, but it was not totally opposite. I kind of pulled a feature right past, but when I did see those guys with the rifles, I just kind of wanted to make sure it was kind of safe, even though it did say no rifle, but she told us that it was deer season, they're only allowed to use bows, and they was doing some rabbit hunting, which is way in the back, and we're just kind of in the front where the parking area is at anyway. So she said it was completely safe. She said, don't even worry about it, y'all completely safe. So that was pretty cool, and we was able to shoot here and enjoy the shoot because it is a really lovely location, correct?
Yes, and let's wear orange next time, so in case they do come here with their bows and their rifles.
She is right. Next time we are definitely going to be wearing orange of some sort. So yeah, we're gonna leave location now. So next time you're gonna see me is actually in the editing room. Well, anything else you want to say to the peeps?
No.
All right, you see me in the editing room.